Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to file revised TDS return online 24Q easy method. Open the Traces portal, log in with your TAN, and select the revised return option immediately. Verify original challan and quarter, then upload corrected salary and deduction details in the prescribed format. Prepare a brief correction note for each employee as needed. Double-check totals and save a draft before final submission to avoid rework. Start by exporting the original 24Q XML from your payroll software or Traces to see current entries. Open the XML and correct salary, tax, or PAN errors, keeping the file structure intact and using the prescribed tags. Run the standard validation tool to catch schema or arithmetic issues and fix any flagged rows. Save a new validated XML copy and keep a backup to revert if needed during the upload stage. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with the goal of reducing stress around filings. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab your copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After validation, log into Traces and choose the option to upload a revised 24Q return for the relevant quarter. Attach the validated XML, confirm corrected totals, and select concise reason codes for each amendment to help reviewers. Submit the file and wait for processing. Once accepted, download the acknowledgement receipt and CIB or statement. Store these documents securely along with your backup XML and a short internal note describing the correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.